Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.36. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 12.01% since we first listed Amazon as a buy candidate 37 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.32% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases in this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend illustrates a potential change of approximately 21.35% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 17.39% to 28.97%. When we consider the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period suggests a projected change of 13.82%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from negative 13.10% to positive 27.23% over the coming year. This would place the anticipated future price within the range of $199.27 to $291.74. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Amazon Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Amazon stock price gained 1.4% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, rising from $226.13 to $229.30. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 1.78%, with a daily low of $225.65 and a daily high of $229.66. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.61% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 40 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 5.45% or $13.22 below the 52-week high, and 82.43% or $1,075.90 below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon is making significant strides in various areas today, which have important implications for its stock performance. Notably, the company has raised prices on hundreds of everyday essential items in response to new tariffs imposed by the United States. This decision affects consumer perception and may lead to some short-term fluctuations in demand. However, these price adjustments could also help sustain profit margins amidst rising supply costs. Additionally, Amazon is intensifying its focus on its North American segment, enhancing fulfillment speed and broadening its reach in rural areas to maintain competitiveness. This strategic positioning may drive growth and strengthen its market share, which, in turn, could support long-term stock performance. On the investment front, Morgan Stanley has recently upgraded its outlook on Amazon, identifying it as the best internet stock currently available. This endorsement indicates strong investor confidence, potentially resulting in a positive impact on share prices. Despite facing immediate challenges due to tariffs, analysts stress that Amazon's robust growth in its Amazon Web Services segment, coupled with effective use of automation and artificial intelligence to reduce rising operational costs, provides a solid foundation for sustained growth. The overall sentiment appears optimistic, positioning Amazon advantageously for both short and long-term investor interest. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of July 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The chart today shows predominantly positive signals. Amazon stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $225.65 and at $217.03. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by approximately 10%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 52 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 55 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level may represent a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences solid trading volume, and considering the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.01, which is a change of 1.78% between its high and low points. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively normal, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume metrics to determine when to exit. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Jeffrey P. Bezos, who bought and sold 7,448,619 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 96.635. In total, insiders purchased 213,995 shares and sold 15,493,107 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.87, reflecting a decrease of 5.42%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon exhibits several positive indicators and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a wise choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have updated our analysis for this stock from a buy recommendation to a strong buy candidate. However, after assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, July 22nd, we expect Amazon to open lower by $1.10, starting at $228.20. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.